Einstein predicted the footprint of alien spaceships. They found it, and it's not what we expected. For a long time, people have looked at the night sky and asked themselves if other beings navigate interstellar space. Now, a groundbreaking discovery has emerged from an unexpected source, the phenomenon predicted over 800 years ago from the quantum fluctuation of spacetime in the spacetimeach's principle, was first indirectly detected 3 years ago as ripples in space-time fabric or gravitational space waves. These waves may be used to detect such vehicles, especially extraterrestrial spaceships, according to several theories formulated by scientists. This can become the kind of footprint of space travel that would redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. The science of gravitational waves and how they could reveal alien spacecraft. These waves travel through a fabric of space and time and are produced mainly by gigantic phenomena in the universe, such as black holes. When first theorized, these waves were introduced by Albert Einstein in the theory of general relativity and were later detected in the form of a signal from two black holes that merged in 2016. Scientists and authors believe such waves may have been created by extraterrestrial spacecraft that used warp drives, a device or technology that warps space to accelerate and travel. The idea of warp drives is from science fiction. However, the existence of warp drives could exist, and this is supported by the theory by the physicist Miguel Alcubierre, although he did construct how warp drives could be accurate according to Einstein's principles. As these concepts are still speculative, analyzing gravitational waves has given new hope for discovering advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Researchers are now examining how these waves in spacetime might be beneficial to spacetime and the existence of alien spacecraft flying throughout the Milky Way. Could warp drive signals be the key to finding alien spacecraft? The science behind this theory explained, if the alien civilizations have worked their way through attaining warp drive technology, it could be plausible to try and locate their ships by identifying the gravitational waves they cause in space. Now operational detectors including LIGO, Laser Interferometry Gravitational Wave Observatory, have dramatically transformed the capacity to detect cosmic events. However, the detection of warp drive signals is a search for frequencies for values that are way beyond what the existing scientific instruments can read. In one case, the researchers recreated such a dramatic event as the rupture of the warp bubble, which in theory may disrupt the containment field and destroy the entire ship and all on board. The explosion liberated a considerable amount of energy violently, and its radiation would emit gravitational waves that are well measurable from far-end sources. Science says that even a spaceship that creates a warp bubble of 1 kilometer could broadcast a signal that receivers will quickly pick up from beyond the Milky Way. However, these waves are so high frequency that they may elude current technology, and thus the waves might not be transmitted and received by the currently available gizmos. Could alien civilizations have warp drive tech? Here's why gravitational waves could help us find out. While considering the possibilities of identifying extraterrestrial spacecraft with the help of gravitational waves, it is crucial to put several questions concerning spacetime and energy. The spacetime phenomenon of the collapse of the warp drive signals not only entails the discovery of the notion of the capability of faster-than-light travel, but also the prospects of the exotic matter needed to warp the spacetime. This exotic matter that is said to have a negative energy density has not been identified in the physical world to date. Nonetheless, it is essential to note that Planck quantization has revealed that there can be minor invasions of energy positivity in quantum physics, implying that it is impossible to attain such ideas. With the technological development of gravitational wave technology, there would likely be new detectors capable of detecting higher frequency signals. With these detectors, there is a wealth of information on phenomena we do not know exists. This also covers areas of the universe that we may not be able to detect according to our current technological development, such as alien warp drives and other events that humanity has not discovered.